All right, ladies and gentlemen, now what we're going to do is we're going to add some links to our website. Links are really important in a website because they can take you to different places within your own website, or they can take you to other people's websites. So we have internal, what we call like an internal hyperlink and an external hyperlink. And what we're going to focus on right now are the external links, or the links to other places, other people's websites. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up W3 Schools, and I'm going to go to HTML5, and I'm going to go down to where it says links right there. Okay, and then we've got hyperlinks right here. Okay, and a hyperlink just takes you to different places, either like I said on your website or other people's websites on the internet. It's defined by the A tag, which is an anchor tag, but it also has another component to it, which is the href tag. Okay, and if you come down here, you'll see that it's href equals, and then URL, and the URL is right up here. This whole thing right up here is the URL of this site. Okay, the entire thing, including the http:// and anything that's ending as well. So forward slashes at the end with different folders, and then your .html, .asp, whatever the ending is. So that entire link up there is your URL. The easiest way to do it is to copy and paste links into your notepad, which I'll show you right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and open this up a little bit. I'm going to come to my notepad, and right under my image tag, I'm going to put, oh, not down there. Let's click right up there. I was moving it down for you, sorry. href equals, and then I'm going to put my quotation marks, and now I need a URL. And let's say I want to go to Google. I want to put Google in. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to put in google.com. But when I go to it, I see that it's actually http://www.google.com/. That's the entire URL. I want to add all of that. So I'm going to click on it, right click, copy, then I'm going to open up my notepad and I'm going to paste it right there. Okay. Then I'm going to close my quotation marks, and let's go back here and see what else we need. But then we need a link text. So I'm going to close this because that's the first part of it. And then I'm going to put what my link text is going to be. And if you look right down here, the link text is visit W3 Schools. And so what it will look like is right here. And you see when I mouse over, it highlights a little bit in more red shade, and if I click on that, that's where it will go to take me to W3 Schools. So whatever I want it to say, so I want mine to say go to Google. Okay, that's what I want my link text to say, so that's what you're going to see on the website. And then I'm going to end it with an ending A tag, not an ending ahref tag, because it's only the A tag that comes first. So I'm going to end it with a /A and then end it like that. And so now when I save this and then I go to my website, refresh it, well, it looks like it's going to work because if I mouse over, it gives me my little hand with the pointer finger. Let's try it. If I click on it, yep, it takes me to Google, okay, which is cool. But the part I don't like about it, if I go back, is it's right next to my picture. I don't want it right next to my picture. So what I need is I need to put in some line breaks. Okay, really easy to do. I wasn't planning on doing this, but let's do it because it's really easy. And I'm just going to tell you what they are because it's so easy. I'm going to click here and I'm going to hit enter. And a line break, and you can look this up to Zag W3 Schools, but all it is a opening bracket, and it's a BR and then you put a space and a forward slash, and then you end it. What the BR tag stands for is a break. Okay, so what it does is it line breaks, so it goes down to the next line. So it's just like hitting the enter key. So each BR tag is like hitting the enter key. So if I want to hit it once, then I will go to File and Save, come back here and refresh it, and now it's like hitting the enter and goes down. But if I want it to have a little bit more room in between, what I can do is I can just copy that BR tag and I can paste another one there. I can paste another one there. I can even paste another one there. And if I do that, what's going to happen now is that's like hitting enter 4 times. So my go to Google should be somewhere down here when I refresh it. So let's save. Let's go to refresh. And it is. It's now down here. Okay. Now you notice that there's no beginning and ending tag with the BR tag. It just has a space and an ending tag because you don't want to start and end hitting the enter key. It's all one function. So you put all of it in one tag. So it's BR space forward slash, and there's a couple other tags that we'll see that's just one tag. It doesn't have a beginning and an ending. It's just one complete tag. So try to put a link in to another site or a couple in. Try to put some BR tags in so that you can move things and space things out a little bit, and good luck doing it.